I went to Hospital ng Maynila and visited our doctors and nurses, and only to find out the night before I randomly visited our hospital. I was informed that the night before, knee hiringilya, knee injection, o ano yung English? Syringe. Panusok. Wala tayo. Karayom. Karayom. Good thing that our OIC, Director Padilla, and our OIC, masayang-masaya ako, siya ang OIC ng Manila Health Department. Sa Manila Health Department, wala na mga ati sa inyo. Wala na sisigaw-sigaw sa inyo. Hindi na rin kakabahan. Yung ibang individual dyan.